right next to De Niro, but I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra, and since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to come in Harlem, all of my Dominicanos right there off of Broadway. Brought me back to that McDonald's, took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry, cruising down 8th Street, off-white Lexus, driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my tie, sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. I be spiked out, I can trick a referee. Tell by my attitude that I'm most definitely from. Hey, I made a Yankee hat more famous than a Yankee king. You should know I bleed blue, but I ain't a crypto. But I got a gang and walking with my click though. Welcome to the melting pot. Corners where we sellin' rock. Africa been by the home of that hip hop. Yellow cab, gypsy cab, dollar cab, holla back. For foreigners it ain't fair, they act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories out there in the naked city. It's a pity half of y'all won't make it. Me, I got a plug special that I got it made. If Jesus playing LeBron, I'm paying the way. 3 dice CeeLo, 3 card Marley. Labor Day parade, rest in peace Bob Marley. Statue of Liberty, long live the World Trade, long live the King, yo. I'm from the Empire State, that's welcome to the bright lights, baby. Lights is blinding, girls need blindness so they can step out of bounds quick. The sidelines is blind with casualties who sip life casually, then gradually become worth. Don't bite the athlete, caught up in the in crowd. Now you're in style, and in the wind it gets cold and bold with your skin out. City of sin, it's a pity on the whim. Good girls gone bad, the city's filled with them. Mommy took a bus trip, now she got her bust out. Everybody ride her, just like a bus route. Hail Mary to the city, you're a virgin, and Jesus can't save you. Life starts when the church came in for school, graduated to the highlight. Ball players, rap stars, addicted to the limelight. MDMA got you feeling like a champion. The city never sleeps, better slip you an ambient.
Hey folks, Timothy Talbot's here. Want to get up, guys, and quickly talk to you about a couple of postcard programs that we're currently involved in that folks pay out on a daily basis, and they can pay out for you guys. I've got many videos out here on my other YouTube channel of the Instant Postcard Wealth System. Guys, this thing is incredible. It's an absolutely powerful system that does all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. This website, folks, look at this. This website right here will sell for you 24/7. Once you become a member of the amazing Postcard Wealth System, all you do is mail simple postcards. Let me tell you what, folks. People that say mailing postcards is old-fashioned or is dated or doesn't work are the people that absolutely are not mailing. Because look at this. You received a payment 9 hours ago, about 6:18 this morning. Another $98 payment popped in, a basic monthly membership popped into my PayPal. Folks, this program absolutely works. There you go. Payment received February 23rd, today, this morning. The next payment, this is monthly recurring, guys. You get this paid month after month after month. When somebody sign up with you, you get paid month after month after month. You do the work one time. Guys, what if you can put 10, 15, 100 people into this program? Folks, you're talking about making $10,000 a month with 100 people. Is it possible? Folks, there's 100 people in your neighborhood. There's 40,000 people in your county. You think you can get 100 of them to say yes, send them to a website, drive a little traffic to it, and folks, will show you in a later video how you do that. Even in some of my email messages, you received a payment. Look at this, guys. This is how you get traffic. AWeber, instant postcard wealth, instant postcard wealth, instant postcard wealth, instant postcard wealth. Driving traffic, guys, will produce results like this. $98 payments over and over again into your PayPal. Guys, nowadays is what we need to do. We need to leverage ourselves. We need to leverage ourselves with postcards, systems, email, follow-up, and let them work for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm trying to tell people and trying to alert people and let them know what systems like this can do for you, and how it can take some of the stress out of your life, guys, and how it can help you. That is the proof payment for Instant Postcard Wealth. Came over this morning. Now, had another payment, 2 payments come in. This was yesterday, and this was 20 hours ago. Had one for the $20 cash machine right here. The $20 cash machine came in right here. I believe Reverend Wilson made a sale. They sent that over via PayPal. The $10 cash machine. Now, guys, this is a powerful little program also. Let me click onto it. $10 cash machine, folks. This $10 cash machine is a powerful flyer. Let me tell you what direct mail works. If you follow a proven pattern, direct mail works. This $10 cash machine, email me for the flyer. If you want a copy of the flyer, send me an email, and I'll send you a copy of this $10 cash machine flyer. You can join it, and you can mail it in. You can pay via PayPal, however, and we'll get you started. Guys, it pays out on 4 levels. The income can be staggering. Look at the levels when you get to looking at it. Look at how the money can be made. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all the way through. The money that can be made with this program. This is Reverend Wilson's flyer. You call Reverend Wilson if you have any questions about the program. It says one in this flyer can make you a obscene amount of money, hundreds in cash every single day. So that is powerful, guys. Absolutely powerful as to what can happen with a simple mailing a simple flyer. That is a payment 1. Now, guys, I got another payment in here. And I can't make this stuff up. I'm going to go to the quote of the day, guys, for those of y'all that are waiting on the quote of the day. There's another payment. $100 payment come in. Now, guys, this stuff adds up. $100 payment come in February 22nd. And somebody ordered, it was the postcard, $100 postcard cash machine. A $100 postcard cash machine, guys. And that thing is absolutely powerful, too. Let me see if I got that thing pulled up. $100 postcard cash machine, guys. If you can mail a postcard or a flyer, you can win with these programs. I don't have it pulled up, but guys, y'all seen all the videos. It's a $100 postcard where you get paid on several levels. Let's see if we can find the $100 postcard cash machine. $100 postcard cash machine. Here we go. Let's see if we can crank it up. It's coming up. While we're waiting for that to come out, here we go. The $100 postcard cash machine is an absolute powerful way to grow your income. Here it is, the $100 postcard cash machine. Guys, you get paid $100 on 3 levels. Guys, can you imagine signing up 4 or 5 people into this postcard cash machine? Guys, we've got 17 different programs that we work with. Guys, I review several programs on a daily basis. You find a program that you like. You find one that resonates with you, and you join. And then when you get good at it, guys, you can have multiple streams of income. Guys, that's why, and even on what comes, this is mailed through the mail, guys. A lot of days, I don't even have proof videos made for what comes through the mail. There is so much that comes through the mail and through the post office. It's not even funny. It's staggering. And some days I do those videos every now and then, but it's easier for me to jump up on here and say, hey, look, folks, this is what came through PayPal. And this is just not even half of the payments that come in for these systems. Mailing flyers and postcards absolutely works. Again, the instant postcard wealth system, incredible system, drops $98 payments every day. You make a sale, guys, and then it's a recurring monthly, over and over and over again. It can work for you. So we're super excited about that, about the instant postcard wealth system. Delivers payments directly into your bank account. I've got a postcard template that you can plug into, that you can use. We've got the mailing list. All you do, you sign up, and all the getting started instructions are in the back office. How to get started from A to Z. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Get a hold of me via a phone or whatever. Reach out to me, Reverend Wilson, whoever. We can help you get started effortlessly. It is very simple. You click on join, and it'll walk you through the steps. You'll get a downloadable product, which is your product guide, and you'll be ready, set, go. Super excited about that, guys. Let's go here. Our quote of the day. Quote of the day. This is by me. Winning is not a part-time thing. It is a everyday thing. Quote for today. For Friday, February 23rd. Winning is not a part-time thing, but it's an everyday thing. Guys, do you like to win every day? Do you like to win? Take action every single day into your business. A few hours a day, a few minutes a day, and folks, these businesses will pay you over and over and over and over again. They can pay you. These businesses are what you put into them, guys, and you can receive your PayPal account. Your mailbox can be full. And guys, I'll do some reviews, guys. I'll show you some days what comes through the mail, and we'll go from there. Guys, hopefully that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Guys, if I can do anything for you, reach out to me, and we'll go from there. But guys, begin to win every single day with payments into your payment processor, into your mailbox. So guys, I'm super excited. I'm stoked that you're watching this video. So glad to have you as a subscriber. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and I will bring you video updates as often as I can. And I'll show you what you can do to win every day in these programs. And we'll go from there. Guys, have a wonderful day. Have a great day. And bye for now.
Forever, I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to come in Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there off of Broadway. Brought me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down 8th Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata. Still sipping my top, sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. I be spiked out like a triple referee. Tell by my attitude that I'm most definitely from. Hey.